If you ever need to jump to a specific day in Google Calendar without endlessly scrolling through months or years, this quick shortcut is going to save you a ton of time. In today's video, I'll show you how to go to a specific date in Google Calendar in just a few seconds. This is super useful when you want to check a past event, plan for a future meeting, or find something on a particular day fast. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once Calendar is open, the first thing you need to know is that this shortcut only works if keyboard shortcuts are turned on. So if the shortcut doesn't respond, go to the settings in Google Calendar and make sure keyboard shortcuts are enabled. After that, just press the G key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar will open the Go to Date box. This is the fastest way to move directly to a specific day without manually clicking through the calendar. Now type the date you want to jump to. You can enter a date in a format like December 9th, 2099, or you can type something like 10/15/2028. Google Calendar is pretty flexible, so you can use a clear date format that it recognizes. Once you've typed the date, simply press enter on your keyboard. Immediately, Google Calendar will take you straight to that date. From there, you can review events, create a new event, or check your schedule for that exact day, and that's it. Just press G, type the date, and hit enter. It's one of the easiest Google Calendar shortcuts you can learn, and once you start using it, you'll probably never want to scroll manually again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple productivity tips like this.